Stars and trials have been my path, pressing on with no direction through the fire, the smoke and ash. Tears, my tears have rained with sorrow, cursed each day with every breath. Now here I stand with no tomorrows. I've been lost but found at last. And the heavens say yeah, and the preacher says amen. The angels say where all the hell have you been? With arms wide open, we'll all be there. Welcome home, you're finally here. Piece by piece I started over, step by step I made my way. All you said was just keep going, don't give up, it's not too late. And the heavens say yeah, and the preacher says amen. The angels say where all the hell have you been? With arms wide open, we'll all be there. Welcome home, you're finally here. I was broken, I've been saved. Words unspoken made me